Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have a column of entries like item 123. Start now. First, insert a helper column beside the data and click its top cell. For a fast approach, type the cleaned example you want. For example, type item from item 123, then press Ctrl+E or choose data right arrow flash fill. Once done, flash fill autofills the column. If you prefer a reliable formula that works at scale, switch to the helper cell and prepare to paste the formula in the next step. If flash fill did not match every row, use a formula that finds the first digit and takes the preceding text. In the helper cell paste, equals left, A2 min IFR find 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A2 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9,999, -1, and confirm with Enter. In older Excel, press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. This works by locating the earliest numeric character and extracting all text before it. Once you see correct previews, drag or double-click the fill handle to apply the formula to all rows. After extraction, copy the helper column and paste special right arrow values over itself so you have plain text. Then, if you want, delete or hide the original column. Make sure you kept a backup copy before deleting. If results look wrong, check for leading or trailing spaces, non-Arabic digits, or symbols. Use trim or substitute to clean those first. If a cell has numbers only, decide whether to leave it blank or keep the original. Make that choice consistently before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.